In this video, we're unboxing and installing Ford Escape outer tie rod ends. Outer tie rod end display. Tools required for replacing Ford Escape outer tie rod ends: large torque wrench, F extension bar, large electric impact wrench, tie rod end separator, adjustable wrench, 22mm large shallow socket, 15mm large deep socket, 19mm large deep socket. Using a 19mm deep socket and F extension bar to loosen the lug nuts. Lift the vehicle. Use a 19mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to remove the lug nuts. Take off the wheel. Use an adjustable wrench to loosen the adjusting nut on the outer tie rod. Use a 15mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to remove the tie rod end to knuckle or retaining nut. Bring the nut and stud flush. Use a tie rod end separator to separate the ball joint from the knuckle. Use a 22mm socket with electric impact wrench together with the knuckle separator tool to remove the tie rod end. Take off the tie rod end separator. Remove the nut. Remove the outer tie rod end. Comparison of old and new steering wheel outer ball joint. The vehicle made a noise when steering after inspection. Excessive play in the outer tie rod end was causing the noise, so we'll replace the outer tie rod ends. Prepare to install the new outer tie rod end. Before installation, remove the locking nut from the top of the ball joint. Install the outer tie rod end. Insert the ball joint stud. Install the nut. Use a 15mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to tighten the outer tie rod end to the knuckle retaining nut. Use a 15mm deep socket with a torque wrench to tighten the tie rod end locking nut. Torque specification: 50 Nm or 37 foot-pounds. Use an adjustable wrench to tighten the adjusting nut on the outer tie rod end. After installation, a 4-wheel alignment is required. Install the front wheel. Reinstall the lug nuts. Use a 19mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench to tighten the front wheel lug nut. Use a 19mm deep socket with a torque wrench to final torque the front wheel lug nuts. Torque specification: 150 Nm or 111 foot-pounds.